This jar looks ordinary, but drop in a coin and it dispenses wine, a vending machine centuries ahead of its time. Rome is famous for empire and armies, but hidden machines reveal a genius that still surprises us today. Meet Hero of Alexandria, an inventor whose vision rivaled Da Vinci's more than 1,000 years earlier. From parchment to mechanism, ropes, pulleys, and counterweights align to open massive temple doors. A priest lights the altar, heat expands the air below, pressure builds and the hidden system awakens. Ropes tighten, pulleys strain. With a deep groan, the bronze doors begin to open, no hands required. Sunlight floods the marble hall, worshippers gasp in awe as Rome's engineering triumph is revealed. And when the fire dies, the system resets. The great doors close again, an ancient cycle of power and precision. In a Roman workshop, a bronze sphere spins as steam bursts from its pipes. This is Hero's Iolipoli, the world's very first steam engine.
Fascinating contraption.
A clever toy, nothing more. Indeed.
The fire dims, the sphere slows, and the Iolipoli fades into darkness. Its potential lost for nearly 2,000 years. Yet Rome's genius lived on: the Colosseum, the aqueducts, the Pantheon, monuments of stone and concrete that still stand today. Roman concrete was no ordinary mix. When cracks formed, water triggered a reaction that sealed them shut. Centuries later, MIT scientists recreated this concrete. They cracked it, added water, and watched the fractures vanish within weeks. The Pantheon's vast dome, built with this genius concrete, still towers as the largest unreinforced dome in the world. Rome's aqueducts carried fresh water for hundreds of kilometers. Built from the same concrete, many still stand, unbroken by time. When the sundial failed, Romans turned to water. The clepsydra, an ancient water clock, measured time with nothing but gravity and flow. In Alexandria, Tiberius built a water clock where rising floats turned gears, keeping time more accurately than ever before. In Alexandria, Tiberius built a water clock where rising floats turned gears, keeping time more accurately than ever before. Float, gears, siphon, and chart worked in harmony, an ancient system that synchronized time with astonishing precision. Timekeeping shaped Roman life. From merchants to priests, the rhythm of hours guided work, worship, and trade across the empire. In southern Gaul, water power drove massive mills, their wooden wheels grinding grain into flour, an ancient factory system on an industrial scale. Workers moved in rhythm, lifting heavy sacks onto carts. Rome's mills worked like an assembly line, feeding entire cities every day. Archaeologists unearthed a glittering marvel, a Roman gold lock, smaller than a bottle cap, yet crafted with perfect detail. With a tiny key, the lock clicked open and released its chain, working just like a modern padlock, 1,600 years ahead of its time. What if Rome had steam power? Trains thundering across aqueduct bridges in the 1st century. Inside stone halls, steam pistons drive gears. Roman factories roar to life. Temples beside smokestacks. Aqueducts with railways, an empire powered by steam. The vision fades. Hero of Alexandria writes by candlelight, lost in invention. On his desk, steam spheres, automata, temple doors, ideas far ahead of their age. Rome's true legacy, the Pantheon Dome, still the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome. Inside its walls, cracks spread, but lime clasps wait, hidden and reactive. Moisture seeps in, lime dissolves. A glowing solution flows into the fracture. Crystals fuse the edges, the crack closes, the concrete heals itself. Centuries later, MIT recreates the recipe, cracking samples to test the secret. In moisture chambers, fractures seal. Time-lapse shows concrete reviving. Modern concrete crumbles fast. Roman concrete endures and repairs itself. Modern bridges collapse, but the Pantheon and aqueducts still stand. Towering aqueducts span valleys, carrying fresh water across miles of arches. Underground, the Cloaca Maxima sewer channels waste away, a hidden Roman marvel. The Colosseum still stands tall, 2,000 years of unshaken Roman power. Inside the Pantheon, sunlight through the oculus paints circles of light. The coffered dome, lighter, stronger, still the largest unreinforced dome. Vast aqueduct arches stretch for miles, carrying water to Rome. Pantheon, aqueducts, Colosseum, timeless giants still alive today. In Gaul's rolling hills, aqueducts lead to a hidden industrial marvel. The Barbagal mills appear, waterfalls powering rows of giant wheels. A torrent slams the first wheel, wood creaks, water sprays, motion begins. One wheel drives the next, cascading water sets all in motion. 6, 10, 16 wheels roar together, a factory powered by water.